This video is going to show you how to multiply a fraction times a whole number. So I have a scenario for us to use as our example today. It says there are 15 students in an after-school club. 2/5 of the students walk home. How many students walk home? So there's some important things in this word problem that can help us know what we are doing here. First of all, it says 2/5 of the 15 students. And of is kind of a key word here because this is saying 2/5 of 15, the whole number 15. Another way to write or think about 2/5 of 15 is thinking of 2/5 times 15. So we're going to talk about two different ways that I could do that today. The first way I can think about it is I need to know what 2 out of 5 groups of 15 is. So I can split 15 into those 5 groups. How do I know how many groups to split 15 into? Well, it's always going to be the denominator, the bottom number of the total number of groups. So I can do this in my brain and just know what it is. If I have to split 15 into 5 groups, I automatically know there would be 3 kids in each of those 5 groups. But my question wants to know what 2/5 of those 5 groups are. So I need to consider 2 of these 5 groups. Well, 2 of these 5 groups is going to be 6 students. The way I can check myself, or the algorithm way that I can think about this problem, is going back to here, I have 2/5 times 15. So another way to say 2/5 times 15 is I could think of it as repeated addition, 2/5 plus 2/5 plus 2/5 plus 2/5, 15 times. Or I can think about multiplying this whole number, 15, times the numerator. So it does not get multiplied times the denominator because I am not changing the number of groups that I have. I am just adding the 2, the numerator, 15 times. So the way that that might look down here is I have 2/5 15 times, so the 2 is getting multiplied by 15. If you want to write it as 15 over 1, you can. If I multiply across, 2 times 15 is 30. 5 times 1 is 5. And I can think about this as 30 divided by 5, or 30/5. Whichever way you think about it, 30 divided by 5 simplifies to the whole number 6. So I get the same answer either way. So again, what we did today is we found 2/5 of 15. We drew a picture to show 5 groups and put 3 in each group to equal up to 15 to see what 2 of those groups would be. The second way we did it is we did 2/5 times 15 by multiplying the whole number 15 times the numerator and then simplifying it.